Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with another The Ring Box unboxing. This is a bridal subscription box if you've seen some of my latest videos. This is the April 2021 box, I believe. I will say they're super prompt at shipping these out. They always come within the first like week or two of the month, but this is what it looks like inside the box. It says congratulations, you're engaged. Down here is some tissue paper and some crinkle paper. And we're gonna open it up and see what is inside. All right, so this is what it looks like underneath the tissue paper. You can see a few things in here. The first thing that I see is some cooler koozies, I believe they're called. This one says Mrs. It's like a nice ivory shade, and there is a black one behind it, and I'm just gonna guess that says Mr. Yes, Mrs. and Mr. So some nice like can coolers. Next we have, it says sterling silver heart earrings in their little box. These are pretty. Ooh, I really like these actually. They're gold, or like a rose gold, but they're just these flat hearts. Those are super pretty. I really like those. Very fun. Okay, cool. Next we have these toothpick, I'm gonna guess they're like cupcake toppers, cake toppers. Long toothpick and then like a little diamond cardboard embellishment on it. I don't see like the pamphlet in here telling me what everything is, but I'm gonna guess these go on like cupcakes or cake. Next I have the bride socks. This is what they look like out of the package. These are cute. So this one says the on the bottom of it. Let's see if I can pull it out to show you. So that's what it looks like, a nice gray and pink. And then this one says bride, so the bride. There you go. Very cute. I like those a lot. Next up we have my wedding planner. This is a very thin notebook. And I actually have a wedding planner from Erin Condren. I'll link that video below. This looks pretty cool actually. It says the entertainment, the invitations, music selection, guest list. There's a checklist from 12, 6, 3, 1 month. Officiant, vows, dress options, bridal shower, recorder. Oh, so like the gift of the person that gave you that gift. Thank you list, honeymoon info, rehearsal dinner. Oh, it's stuck together. Okay, I won't turn that page, it's stuck together. Bridal party expense record, that page is stuck together also. Like a little calendar thing. It looks like it's got some helpful stuff in here actually. I have, like I said, I already have a wedding planner, but this does seem like a pretty nice option. It's really simple and basic and thin, but it's got like all the good information in it. And then last thing is this t-shirt. It is gray. I don't know why everything is just stuck. Like the sticking on this is not wanting to tear. This is just a gray short sleeve v-neck shirt. It says girlfriend and that is crossed out, and it says, what does it say, fiance on it. So that's cute. I do really like that, and I do like to get these oversized so that I can tie them at the bottom. So that is everything that I received this month in my ring box. I'm pretty happy with it. The only thing that I guess they don't really care for would be these little toothpick things. I'm sure that they would be cute for like a bridal shower or bachelorette party or something. I don't even know if I'm doing any of that at this moment. But I do like the socks, I like this shirt, the wedding planner is really cool. These earrings are super cute. I really like these. And these are just kind of nice to use. So that is everything that I received. I will have the ring boxes linked down below if you're interested in purchasing it, as well as my wedding playlist and my wedding planner video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.